Police Bazaar, the heart of Shillong. Today we are here searching for some delicious chicken egg rolls. Destination Keating Road. For some time now, we have been hearing about this particular eatery joint, Bade Miyan. You just need to come via Keating Road about 200 to 250 meters. It's just next to Little China. We've heard a lot about these rolls. High expectations, fingers crossed. As you can see, the guy is multitasking. On one hand, he's placing those parathas on the tawa, and as it warms up, he's just making the next batch ready. He'll let them cook dry for a while. Well, I'm sure he has a really strong peripheral vision. Next step, he's going to fry up these parathas in oil. As you can see, there are about 14 to 15 parathas which he is frying simultaneously. I wonder how much practice is required to do this. Time to turn things around. Oh man, look at that color. This actually looks good already. We ordered their most famous egg chicken roll. There, he's beating up our eggs. And there goes the paratha over the egg. Just listen to that egg sizzling over the oil. There goes the second one. Sadly, you guys don't get to smell what he's cooking. There he goes again, multitasking. The egg part of the chicken egg roll is done. Now it's time to stuff it with chicken. First, they go with chicken chunks. Quite generous pieces, as you can see. For 80 rupees in Shillong, this is awesome. Some shredded cabbage, onion, there goes their homemade ketchup, some chili ketchup, some homemade masala. Viswara is ordering some chicken biryani also. There goes our roll. So that's one. And that one will be mine, I guess. Can't wait to get this. Ah, yes. Thank you. Looks like we have a fan. Harry. Alright. A chunk for you. And a big bite for me. So, yep, that's the place, Bade Miyan. If you're in Police Bazaar, do check it out. And Jibon Jajabor, stay nomadic.